Now, question number 12. NCERT class 12, 11.2. Question number 12. Find the value of P so that the lines 1 minus x by 3 equal to 7y minus 14 by 2p equal to z minus 3 by 2 and 7 minus 7x by 3p y minus 5 by 1 6 minus z by 5 are right angles. Now find the value of p. First we arrange the equation in standard form. So this will be we take minus by 3, here 7 taken out, y minus 2 by 2p, z minus 3 by 2, and this direction ratio will be minus 3, 2p by 7 and 2. So direction ratio of first line is this. Now we arrange second equation, minus 7 x minus 1 by 3p, y minus 5 by 1 minus z minus 6 by 5. Here direction ratio equal to 3p minus 3p by 7 1 and minus 5. Now we know if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of direction ratio will be 0. If A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are direction ratio of the given line respectively, then A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 will be 0. Here direction ratio, this product of direction ratio 9p by 7 plus 2p by 7 minus 10 equal to 0. Add this 11p by 7 minus 10 equal to 10. So p equal to 70 by 11. This is answer of question number 12. Now we solve question number 13. Question number 13 is show that the line of equations are perpendicular. Here two lines are given and show that they are perpendicular. Direction ratio of first line is 7 minus 5 1 and direction ratio of second line 1 2 3. Since we prove that direction ratio prove that lines are perpendicular, so lines are perpendicular. If product of direction ratio will be 0, then lines will be perpendicular. Here product of direction ratio 7 minus 10 plus 10, this is equal to 0. So we say that our given equation are perpendicular. The lines are perpendicular. Question number, now we solve question number 14. In question number 14, we find the shortest distance of the given line. We find the shortest distance of the given line. Here R1, A1 plus lambda B1 and are equation 1 is a1 plus lambda b1, equation 2 is a2 plus mu b2. So first we find b1 b2, cross product of b1 and b2, I j k. Here b1, this is b1, so 1 minus 1 1, and b2, this is b2, 2 direction ratio. These are direction ratio of second equation. This will be minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus j 2 minus 2 0 plus k 1 minus minus 2 3. So product of b1 b2 vector, these are vector, equal to minus 3i plus 3k. Now unit vector of b1 b2 is modulus 9 plus 9. This is minus 3i plus 3k divided by 18, mean 3 root 2. Now 3 will be cancelled, so minus I plus k divided by root 2. Now find a2 minus a1. Our shortest distance formula is modulus a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 by modulus b1 b2. This is our formula shortest distance. So we find a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1, here this is a2 and this is a1. So a2 minus a1, 2 minus 1 I minus 1 minus 2 minus 3j minus 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 2k, and dot product minus I plus k by root 2. Now we product this minus 1 minus 2, j is here, j is 0, minus 1 minus 2 by root 2. This is modulus 3 by root 2, or we can write this. This is shortest distance of the given lines. Now we find the shortest distance of the given two lines. Shortest distance between two given lines. Here I just change from Cartesian to vector form. This equation is passing through a point. The point will be, let a1 position vector minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, mean minus I minus j minus k, and this line is passing through point, let a2 equal 3 5 7, and position vector will be 3i plus 5j plus 7k. Now a2 minus a1 is 7. 3 minus 4i plus 5 minus 6j plus 8k. Now let here direction ratio of first equation is 7 minus 6 1, and the direction ratio of second equation is 1 minus 2 1. So let b1, this will be vector b1, and let this is vector b2. So b1 cross b2 will be ijk 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 2 1. Equal to I minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus j 1 minus 7 minus 6 plus k minus 14 plus 6 minus 8. So vector b1 cross b2 cross product will be minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k. Now unit vector find unit vector. This will be modulus root over 4 square 16 36 81. This will be minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k divided by root over 40 50. This is 64. So 64 70 100 root. Now shortest distance between two lines will be, formula is a2 minus a1 dot by modulus b1 b2. This is equal to a1 minus a2 mean 4i plus 6j plus 8k dot minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k by 116. This now multiply this 16 plus 36. We drop the negative sign because shortest distance always be positive. So 64 divided by root 116. This is 40 50. This will be 100 116. 116 by root 116 mean root over 116. This will be 4 Then 2 root 29. This is answer. Shortest distance between two given lines. 2 root 2 root 29. This is answer.